Hi everyone, this is Bhupender Singh and today I will show you how you can make Arduino Uno at home. So let's discuss the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram to make Arduino Uno. This is the 5 volt input power to power up the circuit. Red color wire denote the 5 volt and green color wire denote ground. These are the FTDI programmer pins to program the Arduino Uno. This is the 16 MHz crystal oscillator and 222 picofarad ceramic capacitor. This is the 104 picofarad ceramic capacitor that is used to connect FTDI pin to reset pin. This is the list of the components that is required to make Arduino Uno. Now let's go for hardware. So this is zero size PCB, one 28 pin IC base, one 16 MHz crystal, one 104 picofarad ceramic capacitor, two 22 picofarad ceramic capacitor, L-type male header and straight male headers. So first we place 28 pin header to the zero size PCB and solder all the pins. Now place 104 picofarad ceramic capacitor to the PCB and connect one pin of capacitor to one number pin of IC base. Now take 6 pin L-type headers and solder it to the PCB. Now solder the 104 picofarad ceramic capacitor second pin to the one number of L-type header. Now take connecting wires and connect and solder 2 number of IC base to 3 number pin of L-type header and 3 number pin of IC base to 2 number pin of L-type header. Now connect 7 number pin and 20 number pin of IC base to one another because both pins are 5 volt VCC, and 8 number pin and 22 number pin of IC base to one another as both pins are ground. Now add 20 number pin of IC base to 4 number pin of L-type header and 22 number of IC base to 6 number pin of L-type header. 5 number pin of L-type header is normally not connected. Now take 6 pin straight male header and place near A0 pin to A5 pin of IC base and solder them. Take 5 male header and place 15 number of pin to 90 number pin of IC base and solder them. These pins are also denoting to 9 to 13 number pins of Arduino. Take 16 MHz crystal oscillator and connect to the 9 and 10 number pins of IC base. Take 222 picofarad ceramic capacitor and connect 1 and 2 crystals pin and another 2 ground pin for both ceramic capacitor as shown in the circuit diagram. Now take 4 pin male headers and connect to 11, 12, 13 and 14 number pins of IC base sequentially. Take more 5 pin male headers and connect it from 2 number pin of IC base to 6 number pins of IC base. These pins are called 0 to 4 number pins of Arduino. Now take 2-pin male jack to connect it with external 5V power supply. So 1 pin of 2-pin male header jack to 20 number pin of IC base, that is 5V pin, and another pin to 22 number pin of IC base, that is ground pin. From these pins we can power up the board from external 5V power supply. Now attach LED to the circuit so that when we power up the board, LED will indicate the power. So take 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it to the 20 number of IC base and another side of resistor to LED positive leg. Now connect negative leg of LED to ground. And one more important thing we missed in the circuit, that is 10 kilo ohm resistor. We need to connect one side of 10K resistor to 1 number pin of IC base and another side to 5V. So this is how you can make your own Arduino board at home. Let's upload the program to the board. Now take FTDI programmer and connect it to the FTDI programming connectors. Then connect it to the computer's USB port. You can see the power LED is glowing. So this is how you can make your own Arduino board at home. Let's upload the program to this board. This is my test program that shows the serially LED on off status at 9600 baud rate. Upload it to the board. Open the serial monitor and here you can see the LED on off status. Thanks for watching. All the related materials link available in the video description below. Kindly like, subscribe and share our channel and videos.